The rest of the news on the local share market now, and earlier I spoke to Charlie Aitken from Southern Cross Equities. Charlie Aitken, the Middle East seemed to be driving things today. Market pretty much down across the board.
Yeah, Ticky, we pretty much gave back everything we put on Friday, which was disappointing. You can take out 10 points for dividends, but the market pretty much lost everything. Yes, the oil price is up at about $105 a barrel in night trading on NYMEX, but it's quite strange. The Australian market did really quite badly versus the region today. We were the worst performing stock market in the region, even with the Chinese market up 2%, so a bit of a strange day.
Do you think it was those heavyweight companies going ex-dividend today, and indeed there's more tomorrow, isn't there?
They played a little bit of a role. The dividends accounted for about 10 points negative today, but that can't explain the whole fall. There did seem to be some program selling of Australia today. Part of it might have been paying for sell downs of stock trades that did happen over the weekend, but it's a little bit hard to explain.
We've got the placement of carsales.com by Nine Entertainment. How did the market react to that?
Well, the market absorbed the stock, but obviously institutional investors have to sell something to buy car sales shares. They seem to sell other media stocks. Some of the other domestic media stocks are under pressure today, including Fairfax. But that would have weighed on the market a little bit. It's quite a decent lump of stock, $500 million.
You mentioned Fairfax there. They've had it's a pretty small beer, but a $29 million online acquisition. But the market seemed to hammer them a bit.
Oh, Fairfax is just having a horrible run, Ticky. I mean, the share's down at $1.25, just looking awful. The market's getting very cynical about Fairfax. The day that Nine Network and the Packers are sort of exiting an online business, here's Fairfax buying one. I mean, you could argue that Fairfax have missed the entire internet cycle. I mean, if you add up the market cap of car sales and Seek.com, it's actually more than Fairfax now, which is amazing.
And Aristocrat Leisure launched a new gaming machine in California called Tarzan Lord of the Jungle. Is that what swung prices up?
I'd like to think so, but I think it's more to do with analyst recommendations on Aristocrat, Ticky. There's been a bearish analyst at Goldman Sachs who upgraded to hold today, and there's also an analyst at Citigroup who upgraded to buy. So a bit of a more positive analyst tone there towards Aristocrat, with maybe the king of the jungle, Lord of the Jungle, helping a little bit.
Charlie Aitken, thanks for joining Late Line Business.
Thanks, Ticky.